Hi, Shayla with WTI, and if you love a good home project and a DIY, you need these bench legs. Tengchang made the most perfect bench legs that I was looking for. I absolutely love them. These are the beam style 20-inch black satin metal legs. Absolutely love them for what I was looking for. So I found a bench in a store and it was so overpriced. I decided, hey, I can make that myself. Had the perfect piece of raw wood. I just needed the right legs. And when I saw these, I knew immediately they were perfect. Not only were they so easy to install because they had all the pre-drilled holes and the screws, everything was ready to go. All I needed was my piece of wood. They also are so sturdy. These things hold up to 800 pounds. So I don't have to worry at all about the strength holding me if I'm sitting there trying to put on shoes, or let's be honest, if I just have way too much stuff on it at the end of the bed. I absolutely have fallen in love with the entire look, that rustic kind of modern look, the metal and wood together. So these were absolutely perfect. They are powder coated, so they're very scratch resistant. They just have a great overall finish to them. Like I said, perfect for what I was looking for. So easy to install, and they have so many different styles, so many different sizes, so you're able to customize it to however you want to look. So if you're also looking for those perfect legs to make a piece of furniture, I would highly recommend these black iron legs, and that is my point of view.